all the alliance partners of the Mahavikas Aghadi, Shiv Sena, Congress, NCP, they have extended their support to this ban. However, the government isn't actually coming up with any kind of its own program, but there are various farmer outfits across the state who will be, extending their support. They will be protesting. So those kind of protests can be expected, across Maharashtra. But if we talk about Mumbai specifically, that in Mumbai also, the All India Bank Employees Association have extended their support to this ban, but they will not be shutting down the banks. The banks will be functioning. The bank services will go on. In fact, the transport services like buses, autos, taxi unions, they have also decided to not stop any of the services, and these services will continue. As far as what is shut is concerned, then, well, APMC market here, the biggest APMC market in Mumbai, the Vashi APMC, is completely shut. In fact, that's where I am right now, and this market has decided to extend their support by shutting down the market completely. So all the trucks who have come here, they are, in fact, you can just see around that everything is just shut here. Speaking of trucks also, then the All India Motor Transport has also extended its support, which means the commercial trucks will also not be plying on the road of Mumbai. But right now also I am at the APMC market, which where I am joined by one truck driver who has come from Haryana, and he says that even though the market is shut, even though it is one day's loss, but he is also supporting this ban. Sir, आप बताएं, आप हरियाणा से आए हैं, यहाँ पे आप रेगुलरली आते हैं, आपका भी इस सब में सपोर्ट है, आपने कहा?
हाँ जी, सपोर्ट तो सारा के साथ सारी बातें होती है। सपोर्ट तो हम सब भाइयों के साथ ही है, लेकिन ऐसा है जिसकी इच्छा होती है वो अपनी मांगे पूरी करता ही है।
लेकिन आप ये जो आंदोलन जो पिछले कुछ दिनों से चल ही रहा है, पंजाब हरियाणा के किसान ज़्यादा आंदोलन कर रहे हैं दिल्ली के बॉर्डर्स पे, आप कह रहे थे कि आपकी भी फैमिली में पूरे किसान भाई बहन है, तो आप इस आंदोलन को किस तरह देखते हैं?
आंदोलन को देखें, अपनी मांग पूरी करने के लिए आंदोलन किया जा रहा है। नहीं, क्या ज़रूरत थी आंदोलन करने की? क्योंकि जब किसी को तकलीफ होती है तो अपनी तकलीफ को बताएगा ही बताएगा, और उस तकलीफ का उसको मसला हल होना ही चाहिए। जो उन मांग कर रहे हैं उनको तकलीफ है, जब वो मांगे अपनी मांग रहे हैं उनको मांगे मिलनी चाहिए।
जी, सही बात है। So even a lot of truck drivers who came here, who are stranded here, they say that most of them in the APMC come from Punjab side, Haryana side, Rajasthan side. So even they say that yes, we are supporting this ban, but as far as the services are concerned in Mumbai, well, as I was mentioning, the hotel and restaurant association has decided to not extend its support to the ban by shutting down the hotels and restaurants, or retail traders have said that they will not be shutting down any of the services. But if anyone individually wants to extend the support, that particular trader or a retailer or any hotel owner can shut his or her own services. But officially, the association, the AHA, the Restaurant Association or the Retail Traders Association, they have not extended its support to this ban by officially shutting it down. And as I was mentioning, even the taxis, autos, cabs and buses will also be, Mumbai local will also be running as per schedule. However, the advisory is given by the Mumbai police as well that they are fully prepared, and also looking at the COVID situation, they will also be monitoring that not many people will gather at one particular space, but definitely some kind of protest can be expected across Maharashtra, especially in Pune, Ahmednagar and Buldhana and other districts of Maharashtra. Yes, definitely we can see, because the farmer association, the farmer outfits, especially the All India Kisan Sabha or the Maharashtra outfit, have organized protests across Maharashtra that can be expected through the day. Back to you.